So yo, what's up guys, how are you? And today I'm going to show you my Minecraft world. So as you can see, this is my Minecraft server world. And yeah, if you guys came from Planet Minecraft downloading my world, this video is a bit long and it's actually worth it. You can watch this till end so that you can get to know every detailed place, because this server is big as hell. Like server is big, but the builds are actually very till like very far. So and underground, up above it, okay, above sky there's no build. Oh, yeah, actually I can make, but right now I won't. Like I can update it, the world, and then yeah, whenever I make a good build, I'm gonna update the world on Planet Minecraft. And yeah, I guess I will upload a video if it's a big update, like big world update. Like for example, I build a too good structure or something. Then yeah, I'm going to definitely upload a video, and you can go check it on the Planet Minecraft. And yeah, if you didn't came from Planet Minecraft, then yeah, you can go watch this video till end, and you can go download this world from description on Planet Minecraft. I'll give you the link. And yeah, now let's get to the video. So yeah, you guys can see this world. This is actually my private world, okay, private server world, whatever. And you can actually download it. And now I'm just gonna show you the world, okay, briefly, okay. I'm going to actually show you, not very detailed, but yeah, most of it. So you see the watchtower. So that's actually a watchtower. You can go up and watch things. And this is a launcher that launches you up very quickly. Wind charge, you can go here and then launch yourself. Yeah, you need practice for that. If you don't, you're gonna guys get cooked. Means you won't get launched. That thing. Look, if you don't, oh yeah, still I mean it's gonna launch you, but not much high. Look, not much high. Why am I wasting time? I don't know why. Leave it. So now let's get to the other part of the video. So this is a tree, and yeah, this thing, do not touch it because it's like night vision control. So I'll show you what is this real quick. So there's a command block from which you can give night vision, because there are no torches nearby like in many of the build, because it's too annoying with torches and lanterns. That's why I've just put this and made the difficulty, you can see difficulty peaceful. Oh yeah, command is off. So yeah, slash difficulty. If it's not, I'm just gonna make it. Yeah, it's already, yeah, so I won't change it. Yeah, done. So here you can actually give. So you see I have night vision slash, sorry, effect clear. Okay, I've cleared all effects. Now I'm gonna flick this, and now I have no effect. When I flick it, I get the effect. So you can actually control night vision. Once a guy gets it, it can't be cleared. It's only for giving. Like for example, if you flick it by mistake and then the restart the world or somebody dies, then you can. Because if you die, your night vision will actually go off. So you can ask the night vision controller to again off and on it. Because by offing, nothing will go off. Yeah, of course. And there will be a room afterwards where you can control night vision from directly there. You no need to come here. Okay, I'm sorry. Lol. So now let's get to this. This is actually a private pool. This I've just written only VIP pool, but yeah, just leave. So it's actually like you can see swimming costume. Here's for night vision potion, water breathing. Yeah, it's actually a full automatic pool. Like look, you see the water is there. Now I flick the lever and the water goes. So that's why you can actually like control this pool, that it's not like barriers or something. It's like VIP. So the water goes and they'll be like, "Bruh, how should I take a bath?" Lol, it'll be like this. Yeah, let's get on the next thing. So yeah, you guys see this place? This actually a place like this is a place for like pool timings. You see, normal pool time 7 to 2. This normal pool, and then swimming time. You can like pool timings means like open how much and how much you can swim. I hate it. It's okay. I'll destroy it. I already have the downloaded world file. I don't care. And you please guys do not break this block. It's actually a speciality of this. I'll show you what speciality. Only break it in emergency. So look, I guess you guys noticed it earlier is a trapdoor. So you guys see this world was before very like shitty ass. So you can go see my video like last video 5 minutes in which I've shown. It was my server was way different, and here was full of water here, river like full sea. You can see, and I've covered it. That's why, and the water is still left below. So what I did, I just left the water be there. So here are all the fishes and all. You can come, and if you want to go up, yeah, that's bit of hard. Yeah, here is like actually the place to go up. You can actually go up like this, and that's very hard as hell. Let's just get out for a minute. Okay. guys. We can get out like this. And yeah, guys, it's like pretty hard. So like coming out, like you can go here, break, and then come from that place, but it's pretty hard to come up. I've designed it like that specially so that you can't come back because that's the entry and that's the exit. And you see that looks like entry, but yeah, this is the real entry. And now we come to the award place. Here is the main thing, all materials in survival, but I will change it. Okay, if you're coming from Planet Minecraft, all of these mistakes you've seen, all will be fixed. All, and maybe most probably nothing will be added, but yeah, all these things will be fixed because it's for all, not only me. So I'll just remove the name and then put by me, so that everyone can use it. Here are guards. Here you can see like Nether Star, Dragon Egg, everything I've collected. This is the award Crown Armor reward. Here by Now Gaming, I'll remove it by me in 270, or you can put your name also. It's I'll just put like by me. Nothing else. This is actually a powerful modded, not modded. My friend gave me from like using saved hotbar. I don't know how he created. This is actually handmade. I've made it in 1.21.1. Now I can make it way better, but I won't because yeah. And this is the logo S for Swift. My server name is actually Swift. No, it's not Swift. It's like Slay Swift. Swift Slay. Yeah, I forgot. Slay Swift Desire. It's not SMP God. It's Slay Swift. SMP God, basically this means SMP God Now Gaming, like I'm the God. And here if anyone tries to steal, what you can do here is basically guards. You can put entry. This is actually guards. You break the block here, you'll actually find a lever from which you can like on and off them. Like the fence, you can pull it down. I know it looks a bit weird because at that time I was a bit new, but yeah, I've become pro. But I'll let this be. When a big update comes, I'm gonna change it. Now let's get, and you're seeing this block. I was noob, so I thought I can't save this download word, so I kept this for copying because I saw a command called slash copy. Lol. So this is our PvP area. You can see. Okay, don't break these blocks. Okay, please guys, because every block has a meaning. So here about Now Gaming, I'll just put player one. Okay, here are the bed. Just for decoration, these blocks are given. You can break it, but yeah, just there is a meaning. I'll tell you at end what is the meaning for this block. What is the use? And you see here it's connected to one of the words, and you can just leave this block like that. Don't like fill it because I'll tell you real thing. I'll tell you when we get on the videos fun part. So that thing is with this house connected. This house is actually a very big ass whole house. Here's the nether. Nether you can explore by your own, guys, because I'm very lazy to show you guys. Yeah, I'll just leave it. So this is a boat racing game. Okay, my friends created it randomly, and yeah, here would be I guess some problems or not. Yeah, I fixed that. So here you come. This is the ground floor. This is called the workshop. Here you will find all of the tools you need. Here is some water bucket and all, some redstone like to create potions and all. And here is this for decoration. This is the upstairs. You can go by this, and here's a secret base actually. Not a secret base. Basically, like just like all the things kept, like all the things. And this is illegal slash operator item, so don't touch it. If this world is actually gonna use for the server, then I'm very happy. Please give me credit if this world is going to be used for a server. Please. This is actually a working fridge. I'll show you. Bro, why? Yeah, you press the button, it will actually come out. And it's pretty easy to make. Like you can just make whatever build you want, and then you can just build and then put a dispenser here. Yeah, done. Pretty easy. Very easy. And you can build the fridge. Here is the escape route. This is actually my room and all my friends' room, but you can make it yours because there's no written here. Like it's here I've kept something like elytras to run off, water bucket to clutch, ladders to clutch, in nether maybe you need a full set diamond armor, some tools, some blocks to build up like Smartify. You know, yes, Smartify, okay. Maybe you guys don't know him. Some enchanted apples, some golden apples, some steak, because that gives very much help. Then I've given a spyglass to spy, and definitely the elytras won't break and you have the block. But just in case, I've given a horse spawning. You can spawn a horse, make it also wear a armor and put saddle and then run also if you don't want to go in the air. Yeah, I've just put it. I know it's of like most of the time no use, but I've just put it. Like you can use it. This part, you come. Here you see, it was before actually way better decorated, but yeah. In the world, when you're if you're not coming from Planet Minecraft, I already told you the builds will revac come. This is just my friends who did this. right now. Before recording a video, they destroyed it, and yeah, I'm very lazy to fix all of these and then do it. And you guys are telling, if you say that just change the world thing, so nah, even in that they have done it. So I'm too lazy to make it. But yeah, in the download, when you'll get it, it'll be there. In this video, when this video will be uploaded, after like 1 week, in the description the download will come. Okay guys, don't just write now go, but if you're coming after like 1 week of this video uploaded, maybe in the description it would be there. Yeah, so here would be actually a gaming PC full. And yeah, here in the chest there are some random things. Here are some random books which you can read, which is empty. And yeah, to go up you can use this lift. Yeah, you come here, there's nothing, this full room. Yeah, my friends. Yeah, you come here, this room, from this you can actually escape like this. Here my friend has put like this thing, some okay. This is broken, who cares? Here is some secret like armor or something you can take. This is my god armor kit which I've kept in a master kit. You saw that? That's but I've updated the master kit and put this the very old one. Oh yeah, we have one more floor up because I made it for my one friend who was crying for a room. I created for him. At that time, I didn't know how to use slash wall, so I created this whole house with hands. And yeah, they also help. And this is the rooftop. Here you can actually jump and sacrifice yourself. Like, oh, I wanna die. And yeah, you can die. Yeah, okay, my laugh was too kind, sorry. And you guys see here, you can actually like troll your friend. I'll show you this lava. It's actually for trolling. Now you can run off, and you see there's a door. I'll show you later what's the door. Okay, I'm telling you guys, I'll show you everything later, but actually, I'm gonna show you guys everything later. I'm gonna explain because that is not the part, because that is the part of the main fun thing. If I show it now, it won't. You leave that, I'll show you. So, guys, this is my house, which me and my friends built it just for fun, like two-floor house. You see, this place is empty because you can put ender pearl and then secretly go inside if you want to sneak in your own house. This is the sofa and all like that. This is just a random signboard. This is the kitchen which is full empty. This is the basement. I'll show you the basement later. I mean after showing. I'm saying everything. You come here. This is all the rooms. This is the small room, not the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and yeah, the names are written. I won't show you. Maybe you guys are too good. Yeah, you guys just gonna do it. So in the download file, I'm gonna remove it. And even in editing, I'll try if I have. Here, you can actually have made billions of passages so you can run out of your home. Yeah, what if you get attacked? You actually need some places to actually run. I've even connected the two balconies. I'll show you what are the balconies. Yeah, here are actually two balconies. Here is actually a barrier. You can talk to other guy. You can keep things and then get it. Okay. Here you can go here. This is the balcony of this room. Yeah, you come here. You open. And yeah, there we go. We are in the balcony of this room. Yeah, I won't show you the names. Haha. And yeah, you just see in the chest nothing's there. Now let me show you the basement. Basement has cool thing, and in that basement there is one thing which is the part of the main fun thing. But there is one fun thing you should actually, that is the main reason why you should actually download this world, because that is, I'll tell you later. Okay, this is the torture area. You can make like someone take a ender pearl, then like go inside and then beat up, like you can trap a guy. Actually, that's like torture. I mean trapping. Here is the escape routes, emergency exit. What if gets? This is the emergency exit 2. This is short way basically. Yeah, this is the short way. I'm gonna close it so I don't wanna come up back. Yeah, you go here, you actually escape like this, and done. You're at back of the house. If you want to again, like if you want to see the long route, I can just show you guys very quick. You guys can see my screen. It's a bit laggy because of that. You guys know, yeah, my PC is very old. Plus, I'm using mobile. This is the long way. This is the gate which I was talking about. This is a pickaxe. Just leave that. Yeah, the pickaxe is actually a little useful. You see, there's no minecart. Who cares? There will be a minecart, I mean, and that's going to be very fast. Yeah, there are some holes. Who cares? Just we're gonna fix it. Yeah, when you do this, it be gone. Yeah, now here you can actually break, and if you have left all your things in the chest, like you have your own ender chest, and you can actually like transfer your things to ender chest. Here you will find ender chest where you can get things. Here is my own ender chest. You guys would have your own ender chest. So here is ender chest where you can actually get your things. So that's why I would recommend you guys to keep some things in ender chest, because here is one, and maybe there will be more in next updates, or maybe while in this video only I'll add it. Now let's get to the main fun part of the video. Let's get on to it. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna actually not cut, because then you guys will know, you'll be like, bro, where's that thing? We can't find it. That's why I'm actually gonna run in reality and then make it find. Okay, guys? Actually, whoa, am I in the wrong direction? No, I'm not in the wrong direction. Yeah, I'm going in the correct way. No, I'm not. No, I'm definitely not going in the correct way. I was going random anyway. Guys, I'm really sorry. Don't go that way, okay? I'm really sorry. Yeah, look, I was going in the wrong way, bro. My home gate is there, you have to go there. Yeah, this is the correct way. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. No. Bro, this is the same way, bro. Where the F should I go? Oh, this is the back side of my home. This is the main entrance. Yeah, you have to go here. Sorry, guys. Yeah, finally the lava pool. Here. Bro, I was going randomly anywhere. Look. So, I'm gonna tell you the secret. Should I tell you the secret? I mean, it's not a secret. Like, it's just a game. Like, basically, the major part of the server you should do. The game of tag. If you don't know what is game of tag, then bruh, you don't know. Then I don't know what you guys are like. You don't know what is game of tag. In Minecraft, yeah, this game of tag is a bit different. I'll tell you why this game is a bit different. So the reason behind this server is actually like the game of tag is basically different, because here are like more rules, like, and more things you can actually do. So basically this is a game of tag and trap, but it's only tag. So what happens, here are the rules written, and yeah, there is one mistake in the rule, I'll tell you when we go. So first of all, tagger and uh, just a minute, yeah, tagger and runner cannot place or break any blocks. So basically, what does that means? It basically means like you cannot break any block or place also. It's just a normal game of tag. So tagger must have glowing effect. You know why? Because so that tagger can actually like be visible to the runner and he can actually run. Because there are many points where like the main idea of the game is to like trap the tagger and then run. But yeah, there will be escape routes also. But yeah, runner cannot have invisibility effect, because yeah, while running there will be many times where the runner will hide, and yeah, then it's gonna be impossible for the tagger to find him, because it's a whole big world. Okay, now no one is allowed to carry any other item than the given one. So here are some chests where some items have been given. You can only keep that. You cannot keep anything else. So here you'll keep all your things, whatever you have, and then you come take it. So this is only for tagger this side. This side is for the runners. Okay. Here you go. Okay. This is for runner, and you see what is this thing? And here look, one hit sword the moment you touch out, because then what if the what if the tagger has like good sword, but then the tagger is noob, like not a noob, his PC is lagging or something, and the runner actually kills him. So that's why it's there, because there's one rule about it. Runner and tagger can only break or place work when it's blocking their way. So, like I told you, there are many ways, like many situations where like you'll be underground. So, like this. So here, there's a block above the trapdoor, so you can actually break that. That's allowed, but not any other than that. Now let's go. Tagger and runner can break blocks other than the ones blocking only 3 times. Only 6 more times. It's actually 6 more times, because there are 6 times where you need to, other than the blocking ones. No, I guess other than the blocking ones, it's only three. Including the blocking ones, it's actually six. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because at a certain point it's needed, and the tagger gets extra time, because there's one place where tagger actually has to break blocks and go. Yeah, the runner. can without he known for runner it's no need for tagger it is because runner can like actually go inside, close the button. I'm telling it because you guys need to listen, like close it and then it will be full block, and even if tagger tries to open it from outside it won't open, so that's why he needs to break. That's why one extra given. And yeah, non-seven. Runner and target both have only one life. That's why. And if target dies somehow, automatically runner wins. If runner also dies somehow, anyhow, if he dies by a creeper, if whoever dies first in chat, whoever name come first, last will be the loser. Will be the winner. So basically, both die together. So yeah, whoever was the last one wins. So it's like that. And you guys are thinking, why am I pausing in between? Because I'm drinking juice. Yeah. So let's go to the other. Now I'll show you full map where you can actually explore, and I'll show you some good places also where like many places which I told I'd show you later. I'm going to show that which is a part of the game of tag. Bruh. My my OBS, bruh. What happened? What is this? Okay, yeah, guys, I fixed it. Wait, let me check my OBS. Yeah, okay, it's working. So like you guys can see it, right? Wait, no, you guys can't. No, wait a second. Can you guys see it now, right? Now you guys can see it, right? Yeah, now it's maybe visible. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you look. So yeah, there was a confusion earlier. Yeah. Now look. Now I'm gonna show you all the places. So I'm gonna just take all the things which runner has because I'll be playing as a runner. I'll just take one of it because you only need one. Yeah, actually, this one thing, okay, I forgot to tell you guys that there are actually like two places where the tagger needs to break. So in the rule, it's more. It's actually like tagger gets two more extra because in because of this redstone torch. I just remember, yeah. So here the game starts. Now you can play tag however you want, but this game is specially a tag game I've made because I've made many passages, and you saw that earlier there were some blocks on the in the PvP ground area. Yeah, so those are one secret. Yeah, I'll tell you why. So look, and you saw there were shulker boxes for no reason, even when chests were there, both sides, and here were both sides. I'll tell you why. If there is a block above you and you open the shulker, actually go down. And yeah, up there was a hole, I'll tell you why. So you can run, and for the tagger, it's gonna be hard because he won't get this. So you can actually go here and don't go any of these if you actually want him to get confused because here is the main thing. You flip the lever, you go here, and you wait. And you again, yeah, you need to be good. I'm lagging badly, that's why this is happening. Okay, here you come. Now flip this lever and flip this lever. And the target trapped. I'll tell you why. How much ever the target tries, nothing's gonna happen. That's why here he needs to break one and you don't. So I'm gonna actually count how much is gonna break, except for the blocking ones. Yeah, here he's gonna break one. And guys, I'll recommend you instead of making him actually break, just like open this and then just open this and then block this and then yeah, do everything. So now when you come here, the commands blocks are actually in some command block. Right now it's not perfect, but I'll make it like this one. That is perfect. Like when there are multiplayers, then. So what happens when you go here's a string, and yeah, this will full block. When he comes, you can push this so that he'll be trapped. Now when you go here, you'll actually be TPing, and when you come back, it's the same thing. So you can go, and if the tagger is actually dumb, he won't look at the pressure plate. Okay, and pressure plate is for everyone. When you go here, you'll be teleported at some point, and I'll tell you where. I'll go in creative. Yeah, it's this place. It's just simply this place. Look, it's simply that place. Basically, it just TPs you back. But yeah, I just made it that corner so that you can actually TP down. Yeah, now here you can actually trap the tower. You can actually let him first move around. Then what do? You go here. You see this place. You see there's a pressure plate and there's some blockings. You go here. You now may go run him. Run up. Now he's gonna run after you. Okay. Yeah, don't do this mistake, okay? Or else he's gonna catch you with his one hit sword. And yeah, here is a shovel given. especially for this. This one is not counted as breaking, so it's still 1-0. You're gonna run up and actually break and then block it, and he's gonna take a lot time. Yeah, look, you can actually just get out and then run. And there is one rule I forgot to mention. Wait. I'm pausing the game once. There is one rule I guess I forgot to mention. Yeah, where's the rule? Yeah, there's a yeah. There is two I guess. Yeah, for this one is there's a time limit of 5 minutes, and if Tiger ain't able to catch a runner wins. Yeah, there's a 5 minute time limit, and in 5 minutes, all of what I've made will definitely make you win if you're pro bit and dodger. And the last one, runner can place blocks on trapdoor to block Tiger for extra time. That's what I did right. But if runner is going inside a secret place, like underground maybe, Tiger must know, or it will be impossible for Tiger to catch it. Yeah. And spelling mistake, sorry. I'm gonna fix everything. So here is the part where he needs to tell, because here's the lever. You need to actually flip it. Okay. And here is the redstone torch. Here he needs to break. So 2-0. You can actually place the redstone torch. And now it's forever trapped. Now even if he flips, nothing happens. So he needs to actually break the block. As you know, he has some lives. Yeah. And wait guys, actually there is extra no need because one extra is given, right? He has 4 total. So let's see how much is breaking. He has broke 2 now till now. And yeah, as you know, you can't take any of these. If he takes, the game pauses automatically and you win. Yeah, this one rule, okay. If any one of them takes any extra items, yeah, automatically lost. And you can just set this again. And here you need to break and he needs to break one. So it's 3-1 now. It's 3-1 now. Here you still can't take anything. This is actually my secret base. Okay, I've connected everything. Like I don't know, somehow I came, but yeah, I've connected all of these. I somehow managed to. It's not like a use brain. It's automatically connected. You can go here and you have to actually wait for him to come to you, because then only this is a game of Tiger. Here are two options: go to ladder or go there. I'll tell you to go there because this will waste more time. Because if you go out, Tiger can actually use his brain to catch you, because it's very easy. Here you still can't take anything, lol. Here you'll go up and up and up. Here you can come up this, and here you can actually like break, and this time you can't tell because there's actually a hint given here, like what to break. You tell him a different block which is rooted dirt. If he can see it, he'll break it. And here maybe 1 2 3 4, this is counted as one full. Okay, you need to break, he needs to break. So now it's 4-2, exactly 4-2, and maybe you need to break one block and you can't place that back, I guess. Yeah, so you come back to the same. Remember this place, this liver place? You literally came back to the same place. LOL. And here is the place where you need to break and you can't play. So it's now gonna be equal. Then no breaking. You actually don't go up here, okay? You don't go up here. Now you go down directly, okay? Yeah, you open the gate first, then go. Like here you go and then tell him when he comes, then only you can go. Now come here. He'll be like, oh, you're trapped. Tell him just wait a minute, just wait a minute. And then use your trident to go up, launch yourself. And if you're pro, you can come up. If you're noob, you're stuck there, and then he kills you and then he wins. And yeah, if you do it, then you come back here, and what do? You just annoy him by, he'll be like, where should I get in from? So maybe if he's smart as hell, maybe he can actually come up, but he's not much smart. You can actually go do this and then break, like not break, like open the door and then call him, and then you can go up here. When he comes, you can actually like break with the shovel, and here you can block. So you break one, he breaks one, 3-5. Yeah, two extra. He needs two extra. 3-5. No, 3-5. This was actually blocking. Hey, this not counted. This not counted. I don't know why am I counting. Here. No need to go here. I'll tell you where to go. Here, this line, you actually go this place. I'll tell you which place. You don't go inside this time. This time you go here. And there is one more extra thing to waste time. Yeah, finally. We are back, and guys, I'm gonna like change some commands blocks. Right now it's changed, but I'm gonna just for just a minute I'm gonna break. That's why. Wait, I'll show you one thing. This is the reason why, because there were command blocks. I put this. That's why. This is the reason. Everything in this server has a reason. I'm just gonna put here now gaming 75 right now. It's P means nearest. I'm gonna put now gaming 75. Then cover this up. Then gonna remove this. Yeah, and here you will be TP'd. Guess where? You'll be TP'd down. This actually whole secondary means go back up. I'll tell you where. This is the main part from where you came from. I'll tell you to choose this secondary because here is the main. I'll tell you what is up. So now you don't go inside this. Here will actually be a open. Here you can actually like waste time. Okay, you can just waste his time by coming here randomly, just doing that own this for 1 minute. Yeah, oh, even 1 minute matters, bro. This is a whole 5 minutes thing. 1 minute matters. And if he's noob, these things are not there. That one main thing is enough for that guy. Yeah, if he's noob. So now you do it 2-3 times. Now you go. Now you go inside. Inside is actually a maze. And here it's a very common, easy maze. You can just easily get out of here. You can like too easily find some stairs, then get out. Yeah, it's just too easy. It's just too way easy. Okay, this is way easy. Yeah, here is a here. Yeah, this one is a dead end. If anyone thinks this is actually a go to place, he won't think so most probably. And yeah, where is that? Yeah, you see the blockings are behind that. It's that place. Yeah. I'm gonna just block this real quick, and I'm going to even fix the design. Here you can actually like go up. I wasn't creative the whole time, bro. Not the whole time, I don't know. Here you can just go around and round and round. Here is a door actually. You can fool him. If he's little late, he'll think there's a door. But if he's smart, he'll be knowing that this is actually the front part. He'll be knowing. If he go, he'll actually remember if he's a pro that this is the back part. And if you go here, he'll actually remember this is the front part. But if he doesn't, then bro, that's just too much moveness. Then you have to move tagger, but yeah, most of the time they'll know, and then they won't fall. They just go crouching and then they open, and then they'll get to know. Yeah, it's the same place. If they wanna recheck, they'll just check down their door. Okay, now let's go. You can just go here, and there's one more door. And guess what it's for? For going here. Let's go. Here you can go up. And remember this those trapdoors? This is what it is for. And here I'll tell you secondary. Go to secondary. I'll tell you why. I'll make a like right now gaming, but I'm actually going to change it. Okay, I made it. And guess where we are? We are at the house. Look, look, we're at the house. Yeah, that's what I was telling you guys. And here you can actually like annoy him with the secret I've shown you at the very starting of the video. Okay, wait, wait, my OBS, my OBS, my OBS, my OBS, hell nah. Wait, what happened? Wait, okay, yeah, it's fixed, guys, I guess. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go to the other place. Yeah, you can actually like annoy him. I've already told you by these things you can annoy, waste bit time. It's actually 5 minutes, but yeah, you can increase it also if you want. You can put it the minimum. You can put 5 now. I have no control over you, so you guys can even put it 1. But I'll recommend make it 5 only because like everything won't be over in 5 minutes. Like you need to over everything to annoy him as much as you can. Now at the end of this, you just come back here to the basement. I'll tell you why. Go down, there's no ladders. He'll actually think that you're gonna die and you did some foolish thing, but you didn't. You came back to the place. Here you can actually go back to main up. Here I'll just put now gaming right now. I'll actually fix all of these. You guys are seeing, right? Yeah. So here you can go back here. You can close it. And remember that hole. Yeah, that's what this hole is for. Here you'll get some damage. And remember this trapdoor? Yeah, I'll show you. Here you can go. Here you can actually take a minecart. Yeah, you can take a minecart and yeah. You can take a minecart, and the chest also I'll provide minecart for you where you can use this minecart and then go so that Tiger can take a lot. And remember this house before, yeah, it's connected with the house, and don't see the painting. Yeah, done. So you have basically escaped, and here you can just trap him like by running over. You can even trap him in this place also. If you have increased the time, I'll show you what to do with this. It's actually very burning if you don't pay attention. Yeah, here it's actually very burning. Yeah. So here is just waste of time. You can just waste a bit of time here, just running like this, and then you can actually like trap him. You keep on jumping. Okay. What will happen if the tagger is noob? You can actually like go up. If the tagger is a bit noob, he'll actually go inside and press this. And guess what happened now? He's trapped in a full bedrock cave where he can't escape. He has nothing except for this one log. And behind also it's full bedrock. And guess what he can do with this? He can actually get out, which is this thing is allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4. He can actually like break through and get out. Yeah, he can break through and get out. We. Yeah, and remember this one water. Yeah, when you come up, you can actually break this and then annoy him. But if it falls down to him, nah, then you're cooked. Then yeah, I guess everything. No, not everything's over. Not everything's over yet. There's still one more thing. And yeah, I forgot to show you the rooted dirt thing. It's basically not much thing. Yeah, basically it's the same thing, but like a bit up. So like escape part. So basically this is just the escape thing. If you have something, if you're allowed, like in your server, if you're allowed, then yeah you can. But if you come in my server, it's not. But it's your wish because you guys are downloading it. I'm just gonna show you all the rules, and basically, if you wanna keep it fair, just use my rules, all of it, because it's actually fair enough, I guess, for you guys. If you guys are not like some other people. So yeah, here you come. Here is actually fun because it's not fun, maybe, because it's not much fun. Because this full barrier, here what happens, the barrier blocks it. Huh? Yeah, wait a second. How did I break barrier in survival? Nah. And what's gonna happen here next? Minecraft barrier. Wait. Is there any problem? Fish one. Yeah, there is one problem. Yeah, now I remember, guys. Minus 8, minus 181, 66, 135. Yeah, this was the problem. Yeah, now it's perfectly done. Yeah, now it's done perfectly. Oh wait, sorry. Let me remove the barrier. Yeah, here you can close the barrier, and now, yeah, he won't be dumb enough because this is clearly seen, and it's actually like this. So if you even move from here, you'll be TP'd back to this line, whatever you go. So it's like thing, like whatever you say, this sign, this no, no, like this sign, and then the coordinates of whatever that place is. So whatever he goes, he'll just be TP'd back to the same line, nothing else. So if he goes, he'll be just TP'd back. Yeah, he'll be TP'd back, and now you can just dodge it. It's too easy. Here is one more trap. You can trap him. Yeah, there are many traps around. Not traps. Why am I saying it's trap? Like basically some passage. And guys, I think the video is going to get over very soon. I'm gonna just record, and uploading part. There's no issue with upload. It's and here guys, one more happens, and yeah, 4. Oh, this not counted, right? It's this breaking one. I told other than that. Yeah, other than that, for Tiger, it's none of them. Then none of them. And here you can actually like go through. Okay, you can actually just break it and go through. Okay, and for Tiger, I don't know if it's over or not because I'm very lazy right now. I can't show you from up, but you guys can go because I don't think there's much time left for me to record. Lol. So yeah, this one was there, and I don't think so more is there. In that much like 5 minutes would be over, bro. It would be 10 minutes around if you do all of this in front of him. And if it's too noob, definitely, definitely 5 minutes. And yeah, there is one buzzer also you can press. I'll create a buzzer from which what happens like when you click on it, here comes a game start. Like you have seen in commands block, like on the screen it comes like full screen here, game start. Here you can come game end, and you can create here win runner one button from this runner one, and if the runner dies, tagger can come here and press the button, and it will come tagger wins. It's like that. So like that, and here will be a main button start end, so you can end in the middle also, okay, or else as it's your wish. And here I forgot to show you, oh lol, it's a parkour. I guys, sorry, I'm very really sorry, I forgot to show you this. It's easy, I'm lagging, that's why I can't do it. Here is just some netherrack, you can jump across. Here no crouching is allowed, only running. Okay, you can stop in the middle, but only sprinting. Here, you go up here. You can craft one here and stand, take some iron, jump, which is too easy. Get some water and then just do the clutch, and it's way too easy. You guys can't be saying anything. That's just way too easy. Okay, I've not made this parkour hard, but only if your PC doesn't lag. Nowadays, my PC does lag. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye. And guys, don't forget to download the Minecraft World and given in description. After 1 week, it'll come maybe by the end of this new week. Or if you came late to this video, so maybe it would be there. And if you came from Planet Minecraft, then yeah, of course, it would be done. And whatever mistakes you saw, I'm really sorry. My friends are actually really annoying. Maybe yeah, they have done it. And yeah, if you came from Planet Minecraft, it's already fixed. And as you know, I told 1 week, so in 1 week I will fix this and then upload in Planet Minecraft also. So yeah, guys, till then, see you, and yeah, be sure to watch my videos regularly, and yeah, till then, bye guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.